G'day guys, these Mazda keys, I didn't think it's necessary to make a video. cx-5 this one is. But we're getting a lot of people warping these and jamming things in and destroying them. And all you got to remember, positive upwards. Hold on. Is to please disconnect the key before prying it apart. So this will be done with fingernails. This particular one had all this stuff jammed in there, and we get a lot of people like here, they jam tissues in to sort of keep it back together because they've damaged it. But just pop the key out, guys. This key. Goes in here, like that. Oh no, it goes in there. Oh no, it goes in there. Well, whichever way it goes, pop the key out, and no need to glue it all on if you're gentle and don't wreck it. So pop the key out from there, separate it by hand. Hope that helps.